Welcome back to Fast RC, buddy. My name is Ryan. Today's episode of RC Weekly, we have new releases from Traxxas and HPI. Plus, we got some new models that are on sale for the holidays, so stick around. I'll see you on the other side of the intro. Alright, good to be back for this week, so let's go ahead and dive into the first topic from Traxxas. And I'll be honest, I was actually really surprised that we're seeing a new vehicle be released this week right before Christmas. Like, I thought, for some reason, I thought the month of December we just wouldn't see much, but here we are, we got a new vehicle. So getting a new drift car from Traxxas, gonna be the 4-Tech or like 2-Tech chassis from the last time that they used the Mustang, but this is the Nissan 240SX. Same price as the Mustang, coming in at $329.95. Basically, from what I can see, is exactly the same as the Mustang, except for that really nice looking 240SX body that's on top of this thing, coming in black and red. And shout out to Traxxas, the Traxxas site for this car, and some of the pictures they took are just, man, chef's kiss. Just really good. But let me know what you guys think about this model. Nice to see them expand on the drift platform and to see new body iterations come out for the drift scene. I do kind of hope that they would update the chassis for the two-wheel drive drift to make it a little bit more competitive, putting more weight on that rear axle. But for at least getting into the hobby and into drift, this seems like a decent platform to do so if you want to stay in the Traxxas family. All right, enough rambling about that. Let me know what you guys think about it. Let's go ahead and get to the next update. And next up from Traxxas, we have the TRX4 Sport that has made its comeback on the Traxxas website and is now available to purchase. We spoke about this vehicle a few weeks back on Discontinued Watch, where it had disappeared off the Traxxas website and was like, discontinued. But speculation at that time was that it would probably make a comeback just in like a different color scheme. And we were right. We called it. So it is coming back, but this time in the gray and green color scheme, which is really cool to see. And I know that one was really popular when that scheme came out on the High Trail Edition Sport. So overall, not surprised that it's back on the model room site. Good to see. Coming in at $349.95. Let me know what you guys think. Let's go ahead and get to the next update. All right, and sticking with Traxxas for this next update, I'm going to take a look at the dashboard because there was something that I totally missed from a couple months ago back in October. I'll be honest with you guys, I haven't checked the price hike page of the dashboard in quite a while, but I actually found some price hikes. So here we are, we're talking about price hikes again, and it looks like to me they updated the prices on a lot of your small scale stuff. So the Trax Rally, the Desert Pre-Runner, all these are all 1/18 scale. The Teton, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. All of these are seeing about a 15 to 16% uptick in price. So that's about $20 basically across the board. And if we go to the dashboard, let's go take a look real quick. So we'll just roll over to the first page. We're not going to spend too much time on this. You can see the Sentin. I'm going to talk about that one later. Let's just look up the Teton real quick. So we can see the price history on this guy. And yeah, so back in, it looks like the first time I picked this up was in October 12th is when I got it. So yeah, $20 price hike on all of those. So not like super consequential, but definitely newsworthy because I thought we were out of the woods when it came to price hikes, at least for this year. But I guess not. They had I'm not blaming them. It's just probably overdue for a price hike. And then we did see a price hike on these Bandits, 15%. So that's actually, because I think those were hovering around $200. Actually, okay, now I'm committed. We got to go look it up. Let's go look. So back here to the dashboard, and I apologize. You guys can skip to the next chapter if this is boring, but I think this stuff is interesting, and I've been collecting this info for getting close to a year now. So I like to see this kind of stuff. Yeah, so Bandit, 230 down to 200, up to 230. Interesting. Okay, so it must have went on sale for Black Friday. I think that's what happened. Okay, so anyways, that's not anything consequential. Let's check these actually. $200. These ones I think are discontinued. Anyways, enough rambling. Price hikes for all your small scale stuff, and then looks like we got a little bump on the Bandit. Maybe not. Anyways, go ahead and get to the next update. And next up, got a new vehicle from HPI. It's going to be the Nano TTR, but this is the 1989 BMW M3 E30. Really nice to see. I've been waiting for the new edition or the next model of the Nano TTR to come out. I actually have the Nano TTR, the Mustang, the first Mustang one that they released. And let me tell you, I know I haven't done a review video on that yet, but it is a cool car. but there's some little quirks to it that you kind of got to work out, or just you kind of really got to get a feel for that car. So anyways, I like it. And I actually do drive it quite a bit on my coffee table. So seeing this, it's now nice to see that we get a second kind of model out there. Looks like this BMW is going to come in both red and silver. Let me know which color you guys prefer. I'm kind of leaning towards the red, but the silver one is pretty cool too. Anyways, coming in for price wise, coming in at $89.99 for the whole package, which is nice to see, sub $100. Let me know what you guys think. Let's go ahead and get to the next update. Okay, I lied. So we actually are done with the updates. So let's save some cash. So anyways, we have a few sales to talk about. There's not a lot on sale now. I kind of feel like we're in that like low point after Black Friday, but I would bet we're going to see some more stuff as we get closer to Christmas. We'll see. Anyways, we got a few sales to talk about. So first off, we're going to start off with Traxxas. So you can see here I have the dashboard up right now. Taking a look at the Traxxas, the Funko is still on sale this week, and I think this is going to be on sale for probably the rest of the month. Let's take a look at the Traxxas site. So you can see here it's on sale for $300 off, $999.99, and I believe, like I said, I think that goes till the end of the month, I thought. Also for Traxxas, just while we're here, let's talk about the BL2S power combos. For Christmas, if you're looking to do some Christmas shopping and you're looking for somebody that doesn't have a battery and charger setup already, the BL2S combos are still in effect, where you can get a battery and charger free with the purchase of a BL2S model. And so we'll see here, I won't name all these out, but there's a lot of BL2S models out here. Me in particular, I think this Bigfoot is a really, really good deal for what it is. Pretty nice truck. I've seen one in person. But yeah, that's it for Traxxas. Let's go ahead and hop over. I have some other stuff to show you guys. So that's Traxxas, really just the Funko stuff and the BL2S combos. Let's take a look at Arma. So Arma's next. They have the Fire Team that's been on sale now for a couple weeks. But new for this week, they have the Arma Sentin 223S four-wheel drive for 21% off at $299.99. That's definitely the lowest price we've seen on this guy all year. Here's the red version. So we can take a look at the price graph here. Let's see, I'll scroll up a little bit. This thing's really been around $360, $380 for most of the year. We can see it dip down to $330 briefly. And then it's been $380 for honestly like all the way since summer until today, or last week, earlier this week, where it dropped down to $299. So good deal there if you're looking to get a Sentin 223S. We're by far for a 2025 at the lowest point we've seen. So that's why we're here, to inform you of that kind of stuff. Let's take a look at some of the other brands. Element RC, there's not really too much going on. There's a Senduro out there at A-Main Hobbies for $69.99, 124 scale. Take a look at Axial too. So Axial has some models on sale. They have the four-wheel steer mini crawler AX24 for $99. Like, that's not bad. And then the Lexus GX for $119.99. Although I know that's not the lowest price. On Black Friday it was like even cheaper. I think like $80. But speaking of Axial, let's go ahead and look at Horizon Hobby real quick. So like I talked about, the Sentin at Horizon Hobby is also on sale, $80 off. And then here's that AX24 down to $99. Like, wow, that's actually a pretty good deal for what it is. So this is their last minute deals before Christmas. They got some other stuff too, like a battery and charger combo for $25. That's not bad if you need to pick up a charger for your smart batteries. And then along with some other accessories, servos, ESCs, things like that. This Pro Boat here too, down to $70, not bad. But we're kind of like in winter time, not really boat season. But that's it for Horizon Hobbies. And then the last one I wanted to show you guys here, let's take a look at Kyosho. So Kyosho has a bunch of stuff on sale this week. In particular, they got their drift car on sale, the Mad Wagon, 30% off, 33% off. So really decent deals. Some of their Mini Zs have hit some low price points down to $150, $199. Not bad. You know, there's some deals out there, and you could check out on Tower Hobbies. They got all the Kyosho deals on their site. Like I said, the Mad Wagon, the drift car, all those. Like I said, I won't name all of these, but halfway decent deals. We're looking to get into some of these Kyosho models. $169 for the drift car, not bad. Actually, that's not the drift, that's the Mini Z. Apologize. So that is it for that. Let's take one last look at the dashboard real quick before we go ahead and get on with the sales. And then for low Z, there's not much. There's the Pro Motos, Super Motos out there. $5.99. That's not really, it's not a sale. If it's not $2.99 like it was on Black Friday. So yeah, guys, that's going to be it for the sales. There's not like a whole lot. So really just to sum it up, the Axial AX24 is on sale, the Arrma Sentin 223S, and then the Traxxas Funko Sand Car on sale for $99.99 or $9.99.99. So hope you guys got something out of that. Let's go ahead and get scratching in. Alright, welcome to my favorite section of Scratch and Dent. And so I'm going to be honest with you guys, there's not a whole lot going on for Scratch and Dent, at least for this month. But we'll start off with Tower Hobbies, so just keep in mind to take advantage of Tower Hobby Scratch and Dent, you're going to need to be a Super Saver Club member. And so I don't really have any new models to talk about on our Tower Hobbies for this week, guys. So we'll take a look real quick, but it's got the same stuff. The Fury 223S's are still up there. The RZR Rays, the Baja Ray 2.0, the Lozi LMT is 2.0 still up there. Yeah, it's all the same stuff pretty much from last week, guys. And then while we're at it, I won't waste your guys' time. Let's go ahead and just hop over to the dashboard real quick for A-Main Hobbies. So A-Main, this is my dashboard for this week. And it looks like the Kyosho Phaser MK2, which was on there last week, I remember, for 22% off at $190.99. I don't think that's really dipped down in price too much. And then followed by the Lozi or Kyosho Phaser Dodge Charger, which has also been on the list for quite a while, down to $270.99 for 17% off. I'm just going to flash up some screenshots for you guys. We'll power through this. And then the last one that's over 10%, we have the Element RC Enduro Ecto Trail. For $407.99, about 13% off. Those are the biggest deals for this week. As far as like anything like super noteworthy, I'm not really seeing anything. There is an SEX30 on here, Ford Bronco, for $95 if you're looking to pick up one of those as Scratch and Dent. But honestly, guys, like I think the Scratch and Dent, like we're just seeing a lot of the same stuff, a lot of the same churn. I would imagine though, like after the holidays, if they get any like returns or anything like that, we might see some deals actually pop up on Scratch and Dent. So that's just a guess on my part. I bet in January, Scratch and Dent will be pretty hot. So we'll be on it. Anyways, I hope you guys got something out of this episode. Let me know what you guys are thinking down in the comments. If not, I'll see you on the next one. Take care, guys.